Hi guys, just recently received this to test. That's a cordless ratchet wrench for the Dewalt battery. So it doesn't come with the battery. So it comes just as this, but we can add standard Dewalt battery and then it works like that. It definitely works, but the question which I have, why would somebody buy such a thing when they can buy also a normal electric screwdriver for the same price, which is much more versatile? We can use it also for normal screws, also for drilling. I mean, it doesn't have a hammer drill, but it was at around same price or even cheaper than this thing here. And this is also not very strong. I mean, of course, it's listed with variable speed, but it doesn't have actually variable speed. We just have this lever here. It's an on-off. I don't know why it's advertised with variable speed. I think for variable speed we would have to pay much more. So it's just an on-off. Here we definitely have variable speed. So we can start very slow and then increase the speed and keep the high speed and then go slowly down whatever we need. And also regarding the torque, we don't have variable torque here. It's listed with 60 pounds at 1 foot. But I think it's actually less. I can even hold it here and it's not moving when I push the trigger here. Yeah, I can even hold it with my hand. Don't even have to use a glove or so. So I doubt that it's 60 pounds. I mean, we have some torque here, but I'm pretty sure it's not 60 pounds. And on the other side, we have definitely variable torque here. We can adjust that between a 1 and a 10, can even switch to drilling, where it's just secured maximum torque. This Black & Decker is 10 years old. I've been using it hundreds or even thousands of times, has been working really reliable. We even have a light. Of course, we also have the light somewhere here. But when it comes to the core features, then I would say there's a huge advantage here. We have variable speed, we have variable torque. Of course, we have this ratchet thing. So when we have it on a nut or screw, we can do this thing here. I think that's called the ratchet function. That's nice. We can change left and right, but we can also change left and right here. The price is about the same for both devices. And here we don't even get a battery, we don't get a charger, and here we can get the full set for same price. And we really have here everything what we have here except from the ratchet function, but we have much more. And regarding the torque, I would say it is about the same. When we put it on maximum torque, it has probably same or maybe even more than this large thing here. So why are people not just buying normal electric drill but buying such a thing? I have really no clue, but I'm not an expert. I hope there are some experts watching here and telling me why people are buying such a thing. I really have no clue. For me, the winner is definitely this thing here. No question about that. I mean, if you're interested, I'll put down the link of both of these devices down into the description so you can check them out and do whatever you want. But I would definitely go with this thing here. And I hope I've been able to show you something interesting. So again, please let us know whatever you think. Please write everything down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.